Nissan Petrol 2016. This car problem is sometimes start, sometimes not start. Sometimes crank the engine, sometimes not crank the engine. Customer brought me this car. Let's diagnose the car and see where is the problem. This is the key. On the switch. The switch is on. Press the brake and transmission also. The lever of the transmission also is not shift and not crank. Not crank in this time. When I press the brake, one thing I note, this on color is not changed. I press the brake, this color is not changed. I think 100% this is the brake switch problem. Brake switch problem. Yes, I diagnosed the car, and first I diagnosed the car and see, and not another thing, I will show you where is the location of the brake switch. First we confirm. You see this light, the switch is on, light is on, and you press the brake, this color is not to be changed. The transmission lever also not to be moving. Maxi says diagnostic. Nissan automatic. Reading wind. Okay. This control for the Nissan is too bad sometimes. Finish file. Very bad. Manually select. Petrol. I select manually because first engine we check. No code. We check. No code. We check the ABS. Maybe any code in the ABS. And that's not connected. Okay. We check manually. Computer does not support me. Check the backlight when I press the brake. Press brake. Huh? No light. 100% brake switch. Computer does not support me. Location of the brake switch. Very easy to open. This is the brake switch. This is the brake switch. We order new one and see. Okay. Hello. I one mistake here. This car has two switch. This is the 4-pin wire switch, and another one for the 2-pin. This is for the 2-pin wire switch. Same place. First one for the 2-pin. This one. The 2-pin wire switch is good. This is nothing for the brake. This 4-pin switch. This stock not available from any spare parts. We open and try to repair. Too much black, and this skin is not good. We clean this and fix together.
आधा रास्ता में चल रहा है.
It is clean, nice. Very easy repair. I fix. No stock in that Nissan showroom. Before you open, must you mark in the switch. Maybe working. Now I fix the switch and try the switch. Very easy to fix this one. When I press the brake, the transmission lever is not going work. Engine is running. Transmission is working. Okay, thank you for watching.